Wait, before you panic about those deleted WhatsApp messages, I'm about to show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp and get them back in literally 2 minutes. Yes, even that conversation you thought was gone forever. Let me show you exactly how. Method number 1, the cloud backup. Okay, first things first. Open WhatsApp and let's check if you've got a backup sitting there ready to save the day. On your Android, tap those 3 dots up top. On iPhone, hit Settings at the bottom. Now go to Chats. Then Chat Backup. See that date? If your last backup happened before you deleted those messages, congratulations! You're about to become a WhatsApp recovery wizard. Here's the move. Uninstall WhatsApp completely. I know it sounds scary, but trust me, your backup is chilling safely in Google Drive or iCloud. Just long press the app. Uninstall it, then grab it fresh from the Play Store or App Store. After downloading the app, open it up, verify with the same phone number you always use, and when it asks to restore, smash that restore button like your life depends on it. Give it a minute to pull everything down from the cloud, and boom! You will see all your deleted messages just come back from the dead. Method number 2, the local backup for Android. Now, if you're on Android and that cloud backup is too recent or doesn't exist, I've got a sneaky trick for you. Open any file manager on your phone. My Files works great. Navigate to internal storage. Android, Media, com.whatsapp, WhatsApp. Then Databases. You'll see files with names like this. These are your local backups from different dates. Pick the one from right before you deleted everything. Here's the hack. Rename your current file, which is this, to something like Old Backup so you don't lose it. Then rename that older backup file to exactly. Now do the uninstall reinstall dance again, and WhatsApp will restore from that older local backup you just swapped in. Pretty clever, right? Now method number 3, the last resort. If both of those didn't work and you absolutely need those messages back, there are third-party tools like Dr. Phone or Tenorshare Alt Data you can try on a computer. But real talk, success isn't guaranteed. It can get expensive, and you're trusting your data to another app. Only go this route if it's truly critical. All right, let's prevent this nightmare from reoccurring by going back to settings. Chats. Chat Backup. And turn on automatic daily backups to Google Drive or iCloud. Set it and forget it, you'll never lose more than 24 hours of your conversations. There you have it, guys. How to restore your old WhatsApp messages like a pro. If this just saved your important chats, hit that like button so more people can find this. Subscribe if you want more tech lifesavers like this that actually work. And drop a comment if you got stuck anywhere. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.